2, 1. I know you belong to somebody new, but tonight you belong to me. And although we're apart, you're a part of my heart, and tonight you belong to me. Way down by the stream, how sweet it will seem once more, just to dream in the moonlight. My honey, I know with the dawn that you will be gone, but tonight you belong to me. Just little on me. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this ukulele cover and play along of Tonight You Belong to Me. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, hit that red subscribe button below if you haven't already. It looks a bit like this. When you click it, it will turn gray, and that means that you have subscribed to my channel. Also, hit the bell notification if you want to get notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. If you again did like it, let me know in the comments below. I'm really excited to ramp up these type of videos and do more play-alongs and also tutorials. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to cover, to do a play-along with, to do a tutorial on, to do whatever. I'm really excited to start doing this more, so let me know in the comments below. Again, thank you so much for watching this channel. I truly love you for watching this video and supporting me and just being awesome, being you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.